Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Shiko Richard. As you all know guys, we are here for beauty and today I'm going to tell you the things to avoid while applying makeup. Yeah, so before we start guys, kama kawaida, just hit the subscribe button and don't forget to comment, like, share after watching this video. So we'll go right straight to the video guys. So number one of the things we are things to avoid while applying makeup: avoid a product that is not meant for your face. Yeah, like for example, foundation. You cannot I use number two. I cannot use number one. I cannot use number one or this one is deep. This one is deep for a dark person. Yeah, that's why they are calling it deep. Yeah, so I cannot use this one. So my correct color is number two. So you need to know the right product of your face. So if you don't know the correct color, you can go to the nearest cosmetic and they will advise you. So avoid a product that is not meant for your face, number one. So number two, avoid too much of everything or anything. Cannot apply a lot of foundation. Many people think that applying a lot of foundation is makeup. No, it's not. Even the eyeshadow, you cannot apply a lot of it. You just take a bit and just a touch up. Yeah, so avoid too much of everything and anything. So number three, avoid color of the wrong occasion. Like let's say if you have a wedding, you need to know the correct colors of that of the like the shaders, the eyeshadow. You need to know the correct colors. Like for the wedding, it's not supposed to be too much because we have day makeup there mixed. We have studio because there is photos. We have evening, so it's a mixed of a day makeup, bridal and evening. So you need to know the correct colors. And then number four, avoid color that does not match or blend. Yes, that one is self-explanatory. And the last one, guys, avoid wrong foundation. Avoid wrong foundation. Like I said, you need to know the right products of your face. So you need to learn a lot about the products. Invest your time in learning the products, the correct products of your face. Yeah, so avoid wrong foundation. Like I explained there before, we have a lot of foundation. So this one is the makeup partly after eyeshadow, because you cannot apply a wrong foundation. Even the blending, it will not blend well. So you need to know the correct foundation. So guys, that's it for today. So don't forget to comment, like and share. And guys, I'll see you on my next video guys. Thank you.